Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a product research method for finding products to sell on Amazon that sellers don't want you to know about. Okay, we could literally, with no software, go see exactly what the most popular products that new sellers are trying to list on Amazon are. We're going to be getting into that today. Be sure to stick around to the end because this could be the video that actually finds you your first 5, 10, 15, $20,000 per month product to sell on Amazon. Other than that, let's just get right into it and I'll show you the two different methods, not even just one, two different methods that we can do to do this. So let's get to it. All right, so jumping right into it, our first method that we have here, you have to go to a website called Vipon.com. Vipon, whatever, Vipon.com. It'll bring you to this home page. And what this website is it's a place for sellers that are launching new products or just trying to boost their old products with coupons to customers who want to go to Amazon. These are all Amazon products that want to go to Amazon and buy these products. So you can see they range from anywhere from maybe 10% off all the way up to like 99% off certain products on Amazon. And now the home page might have some good ideas, but there's some cool methods we can do within this site to actually find products that I think would be more valuable or higher quality private label products. A lot of these, like, I wouldn't want to sell a drill. I wouldn't want to sell, a diamond ring or a fake diamond ring, whatever that thing is, on Amazon. I do have some certain criteria, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. So the first thing that you can do is you can come up here to categories, or I believe categories right here. Either one works. I would go to something maybe like you could do, depends what you're more interested in. If you're more interested in sports and outdoors or toys, go do that. I personally like the home decor, home and garden, home, having anything to do with the home area. So I might go here, and instantly we get a more private label-y list of products, right? There's not the drills and the random beauty products and jewelry stuff. This is more along the lines of what I would probably be looking for. And now here's the cool thing about these products. Some of these are going to be brand new, some of these are going to be old, but they all have one thing in common. The seller thinks it's worth trying to boost these products to get ranked for it. Because if we take a look at how ranking something on Amazon works, take this guitar pick, for example. This doesn't just sell just because it's on Amazon. They would have to rank for, this is called like a jazz pick on Amazon, right? So as I come through here, their whole goal, if they were giving away coupons, it would be to try and rank for certain things that they think that they will sell for. And look, it's right there. So that's the one that we were just looking at. Now, this isn't going to rank them for specific keywords, but in general, when you have a lower sales rank, you are generally seen as a higher quality product by Amazon, or one that people purchase more, so you get ranked higher. So we'll go through this list and look, but really quick, before you do, go ahead below this video, this is my last video, go ahead and like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. I am a small YouTube channel trying to grow, and it helps so much. I asked you guys last time and it was like amazing how many of you guys liked and subscribed. So I'm gonna try it again. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. All right, let's get back to it. So when we get to this page, now obviously not all of these are gonna be awesome ideas, but we might find a few that are interesting. And this is where you can just click on the product and then go to Amazon and see if it's something good to sell. Maybe we check in on 3-tier market basket stand. These are all actually really good ideas. Like if I found these with a search term tool or something like Helium 10, I would definitely click on them, but we're just seeing them firsthand right here. You'll notice a lot of these aren't going to have thousands of reviews either, because they're generally people trying to get better rank, which you usually only do if you don't have that already. So let's go ahead and let's see how this one is selling. Go ahead and open up X-Ray. If I had to guess, with 182 reviews, that kind of product's probably doing much better. $70,000 per month. That's crazy, right? With only 180 reviews. I mean, I have products with 300 reviews that make $2,000 or $3,000 per month. So the review thing is not hard to do here. They just got it right. So then it's like, oh, what is it about this product that's doing so well? Now let's go back to the whole market and try and figure that out. So we could do that. I have videos about how to do the product analysis version. This one's more about how to find the ideas. So I wanted to just keep it simple and keep it to this for now. But this is a potential thing. So then we would go search 3-tier, market basket stand on Amazon and see, are there more of these? Is this one of the only ones? If that's the case, maybe I do it in silver, black, gold, and a neutral beige color or something, because maybe not everyone wants the black version of this one, or maybe I make a 4-tier one, or maybe I make a 2-tier one. So that's how you can start differentiating products like this once you find them. But I did tell you that I have another technique for you. Guess what we can now do? We can go to the sold by box right here, click on whatever it says next to sold by, not ships from Amazon, but sold by, and then up here at the top left corner, click on their storefront. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring us to all the products that they sell. Now this brand is clearly selling within a niche, right? They're only selling products in like the kitchen organization space. Now what we can do in something that works is just opening up X-Ray right on this page. So now we can see in order, maybe if we even wanted to sort it, all of their best products right here. Or we could do something like review count. What are their newest products and how are those products doing? So here's a brand new product with 6 reviews and they're selling $7,000 per month. So then we would go over sink drying rack. Wow, that's actually really interesting. I've never seen anything like that. I've heard of the drying racks. I was like, oh, maybe it's going to be too, competitive. But this is very unique. It's actually right over the sink. So whatever is going to drip off is going to drip into the sink. So unique product right there, $50 product. We could go take a look at their sales rank. It looks like they started completely authentically and they're just getting sales in the space. The reviews again look organic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as they've been selling for about a month already. So yeah, everything looks good here. It doesn't look like they are only selling this product with giveaways or anything like that. This looks like it's actually selling well to real customers on Amazon. Good tip for you, if you ever see a graph that looks like really high sales rank because they just started and then just all of a sudden plummets and it stays here for a little while, but then it starts going back up again, that's usually a giveaway. When we see this slow, or maybe it's a little bit more visible here, this slow descent where it's kind of like we could draw a line from here to here and it's just this slowly going down, and once it's down here, it's staying down here. That's a good way of telling if a product has, been doing well organically and not from giveaways. Aside from like just pulling X-Ray up on the store, it's completely software free. So anyone that's a beginner can do this. So now why don't we go through here and have a little fun with this? What are the penguin ice trays? Here's an interesting one. Maybe the penguin one, someone's already doing it. It's already doing well. But if that's doing well, why don't we make a custom mold with a manufacturer for a different animal based on search volume? So we could go penguin ice tray, see how that's doing. There's only 2 of them. And that's one of them. So look, again, a lot of these are extremely low competition, right? So it's not like I'm showing you guys ideas where there's already thousands of reviews, there are already big markets. The whole beautiful thing about this is that there's not generally people doing this who already are in those markets. It's usually the smaller ones. So 266 monthly sales and then 217 monthly sales. So actually there's collectively almost 500 people buying penguin ice trays per month. The sales price is low, which is the only reason why the monthly revenue is low. But if we're looking at the daily sales, they're both selling about 7 units every single day. So for an extreme beginner that has like $500 to start, maybe think about selling a penguin ice tray, right? Because it's not always about selling things that make $10,000 per month. If you're like, I have $400 to do my first product, I've heard of people selling on Amazon with $300 and like literally making money doing that. Generally, you'd want to do arbitrage first, build it up a little bit. I'm not trying to get your hopes up or anything, but it is possible. People do it all the time. So I'm also not trying to discourage you and say you can't do it with that amount. There's also always the person who proves everyone wrong and does it anyway. Stack it on top of the other one that we were doing, right? So look into the storefront for almost every product that you find, and you might find even more good quality product ideas from that same seller. Because generally if a seller can do it once, they do it again and they do it again and again and again. Sold by, cool sale, we click on cool sale, we go to the storefront and we see how many products they have. Now they have 18 different products. We could look through all of these, and again, they've branded themselves in a specific space. Almost all of their products are some kind of succulent pot or some kind of small pot, or some kind of hanging pot. In this case, here's a unique one. Little duck pots or chick pots, I guess. Sit down a little bit every day, do a little bit of product research, you'll be able to find something. So hopefully this video was helpful for you today, and hopefully you enjoyed this product research method. If you are having trouble and you really need proper guidance, I do have a training you can go take below, and you'll be given the opportunity to send in an application to Savage University. So I work with people every week, and there's, you know, hundreds of private videos that you get access to. It's paid, it's not free, it's not for everybody, but I always like to remind people it is a resource that's there for you. And we get together as a group every week and talk about how to grow your Amazon business. So if that sounds like something that you'd enjoy joining, there'll be a link down below. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Later.